And as we all know that I think talent is the most important thing in terms of finding the right investment. I think all of us has been third part either accelerator, entrepreneur, or investor. So globally, maybe this question is for all of you. You can each take part, answer a little bit. Maybe start from Vivian. Like globally, of course, U.S. is a strong, probably the strongest hub in the world, and but also the startup companies, they want to expand globally. Where do you think are strong hubs around Asia, and what do you think about Taiwan as a hub, and what we can do to I'm sorry that you cannot be here, Vivian, but if you are here, which you are here next year, you can see a really vibrant scene here. So thousands of people and thousands of booths here. So what do you think about Taiwan? What's its role, as a strategic role, to serve as part of the global hub for talent and for startups?
Yeah, no, I think it's an excellent question. First of all, I would love to emphasize is that we really recognize Taiwan as being a very promising hub for the development of health tech. And particularly because it's a gateway not only to Asia, but it also has a very highly educated talent pool. And it also has a very good access directly to hospitals, payers, etc. So it has a really good ecosystem to not only develop products, but also to test it out before scaling it up a larger base. I think one of the things what we see here in the Bay Area, what is really a struggle is that it's actually access to talent, and because the cost of living here is so high, for example. And so we see more and more startups, not only in Taiwan, but also in Europe and in other places like Israel, etc., is that they're for startups there's a lot more of an affordable talent pool available there, and that is as good, if not sometimes better, than what you can find here because people have relocated. So I think, in a nutshell, I think Taiwan is a very exciting health tech hub. I can't wait to come back next year. I have a newborn that's 7 weeks old, sleeping right now. I'm crossing my fingers that the baby's not going to wake up. But yeah, no, I think overall it has, all of these aspects as what we identify interesting for startups, where they can not only develop their products, but also further scale them up before really on a larger scale implementing them. So yeah.
Yes, okay, and Jackie?
In addition to what Vivian mentioned about the cost of engineering, maybe just add one more. Since we are talking about the healthcare, the doctor in Taiwan, in Korea, or in Singapore, they are probably the best students. And not only that, they work so hard, and also because of the healthcare payment system in Taiwan, the doctor in Taiwan has done a lot of surgery compared to the U.S. doctor. I think probably similar in Singapore, in Korea. So if you have the right product, and Chinese doctors are very eager to try something new. I have, through the point of audit, I see the eagerness of the Chinese doctor. When they see something new, something really innovative and useful, they are willing to spend their own effort to work with a startup company. So that's a talent might be difficult to get from the U.S.
Yeah, so I think last but not least, just like my name, IC, which represents the Taiwan strengths. We provide semiconductor and also not only like TSMC, but we kind of have a very strong ecosystem integration power, and also knowing what exactly happened of the front end and the most advanced technology here in Taiwan. Not only the doctors are very excellent, intelligent, but also the engineer here. As being trained as a scientist in bioengineer, and I worked with many doctors and also venture capitalists here for many years. I think the innovation hub in Asia, not only Taiwan, but with Korea, with Singapore, Japan, we can rebuild a new kind of globalization hub, which already exists in many industries. So that is why I came from the Bay Area to join this MedTech show, because I think Taiwan will represent a new kind of innovation ecosystem, especially in MedTech. Yeah.
Okay, I think that's all we have time for. Thank you very much, Vivian. I know you just have a new baby. And congratulations.
Thank you. I'm keeping an eye on him right here. You can't see it, but
Oh, okay.
keeping my fingers crossed he's not waking up.
Okay. Yeah. Have you back with us next year. But anyways, we'll visit San Francisco soon too. So thank you everyone for joining this, and thanks to all the panelists for giving us the nice insights. Thank you.
Thank you.